guys, welcome back to Beauty Bees. Long time no see. Just been really busy at work lately, but I got my Allure beauty box for the month of February. I know that I said I was canceling, and I did cancel actually. And then I saw the spoilers for the month, and then I realized that I could re-sign up and get the promotional rate for $15 for the box, and I was convinced. So, Allure is generally $25 a month. As I have discovered, you can just say you're quitting and re-sign up and you can get the promotional offer, which is usually $15 for the first month plus a free gift. There are 3 full-size, 3 smaller deluxe size products in each month's box, and let's get into what I had. Now, I do know what is going to be in this box first because it's actually sitting open on my lap in front of me, but also they give full spoilers, so you know exactly what you are going to get when you sign up. Before I lose any last hints of daylight, let's get into the box. First up, we have the free gift for sign up. I think this is it. And I was actually really excited to see this. This is the Keratin Plus Hydrating Cream from this brand, Clinical. I'm pretty sure I had this in the past and actually quite liked it. I think I got it through Influencer back in the day, like probably at the very beginning of my channel. And this is a full-size moisturizer. I would bet that this is like a $60 or $70 product. I remember really enjoying it. It was an airless pump, which I thought was great, and I don't tend to see very often in moisturizers that are closer to my price grade, so I'm excited to have this again. Let's see, this looks like a full-size product. This is Mega Babe, the Smoothie Deo with bilberry, which sounds made up, but I'm sure is real, lemon, and orange. So this is a full-size deodorant. Not usually something that I would be very interested in, but I would actually like to try out a natural deodorant and see if it works. And I probably wouldn't spend, I think these are like $18. They have a little magazine. Let's see what reading the magazine would tell us. Reading's important. Okay, so this is $14, probably more than I would spend on an experiment, but I spent $15 on this entire box. So I will gladly try this out. And this seems heavy. It seems like it should last me a really long time. So it should be a good experiment. Next up, we have the Skin Inc. Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. Deep sea water, sure. Hyaluronic acid and soybean extract. All of those sound promising. This is a 1 fluid ounce size, so I should get several uses out of it. We got a clarifying, like a mud mask, clay mask last month. So it's nice to see that if they're going to do masks 2 months in a row, that they're targeting different things. And I could totally see myself using this. The last full-size product was actually one that we got to choose. So they had a choice of, I believe, 4 different shades of these Merit lip oils. And I picked, well, let's just open it and see which one I picked because it's kind of hard to read the black writing on this blue box. Ooh, this is pretty. It is a very sheer, sort of, in nail polish world, we would call this a jelly. Leaning peach shade, and this is Jete. I will correct my pronunciation if I'm completely off, but like I said, I want to get this done, get this filmed before I lose all daylight. Yeah, not a strong scent. It feels nice and cool on the lips, which is not something I generally associate with lip oil. Now, the bottle doesn't feel chilly, but I know that it's like 11 degrees outside, so I like it so far. I feel like that's a pretty color. That's one that I could wear with absolutely anything. And I know that this is an expensive product because everything from Merit is expensive. Now we have 3 minis. Usually I'm not too interested in the minis that come in these boxes, but 2 of the 3 seemed really interesting this time. So first up, we have the 3 Ships Dewdrops. This is a 7 milliliter size. And it says apply 1 to 2 drops to clean skin morning and night. So it should last a decent amount of time. He just absconded with something. Sorry, my dog was running with a piece of makeup in his mouth. It was saved. It's all good. So I was talking about the 3 Ships Dewdrops. Seems interesting. If I'm only using 1 or 2 drops at a time, it should last me a really long time. Hopefully it makes my skin look lovely and glowing, because that is something that it hasn't been doing lately. And then these 2 I was really excited for. These are both from Olaplex, and they are the number 6 Bond Smoother and the number 9 Bond Protector. So a nourishing hair serum and a leave-in styling treatment. They are fairly small. They're 20 mils. But you can see I have like 5 hairs on my head. Both of these will last me many, many uses. Okay, this time you ran away with a Bath & Body Works bag that doesn't have anything in it, so you can have that. And I can see myself using both of them. But these seem really good to me. So for $15, I think I did great. The Kinetin moisturizer, I would absolutely have paid $15 for again. I really enjoyed that. I'd probably pay pretty close to that for the Merit lip oil. And you know, I'd pay $2 or $3 for both of these samples. So I feel like I did great. I'm really happy with this box. I am going to cancel. I mean, I don't know if I'll stay canceled. Depends what March's box ends up having in it, but I'm really happy with what I have right now. I don't need a huge amount of beauty products coming in every month. They're just really good at tempting me back in. So, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you've tried these Olaplex products and you have tips and tricks, let me know, because I feel like I'm bad at hair just in general. And I feel like these will present difficulties for me. Anyway, thanks again. I really hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing if you did, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.